Real Heroes update. These are 1-inch Gumball machine army men. Soft rubber. I think they all got a China back of them somewhere. Here's the complete set in green. What I've got of them in white, tan, and black. Those are duplicates. The sign on the machine says that there's 5 colors of camo in 8 action poses. I was just on the website for a distributor who says there are 9 action poses in 5 colors of camo, rather. And they still have the same 4 and 8. Don't know. But I got 2 more. And we're hoping for those ones that are missing. And we get a tan machine gun, no glasses. Yep, alright. We needed them. Sure enough. Excellent. Excellent. So is that a complete tan set? Yep, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got a complete tan set and a complete green set now. And we get another green bazooka guy. But he's cool. I like bazookas. Yeah, bazookas rule. This is one of my favorite ones right here. The shotgun guy in tan with the red goggles. There's some stampage on the back of his helmet there. Maybe you can make out. And my favorite's the pistol guy. And I think he looks best in green. No stamping there. But these things are cool. I'm pulling them out of a Gumball machine in North Utica, New York for 50 cents a piece. Website I found earlier, you can get a bag of 100 for $8.95. But where's the fun in that? The fun is getting them one at a time and collecting them all. We'll do it.